The Canadian Historical Aircraft Association, also known as the CH2A, is a non-profit organization based in Windsor, Ontario, which is committed to preserving aircraft which have significance to the history of Canadian aviation. They have a 1941 Boeing Stearman, a 1952 Mark IV Havilland II de Havilland Chipmunks available for special event flybys and donation flights. The Canadian Historical Aviation Association is in charge of the maintenance and restoration of a Lancaster bomber which was purchased by the City of Windsor in 1964. The Lancaster bomber was on display in Jackson Park for many years, and was transported to the CH2A's restoration facilities at the Windsor Airport in order to protect it from the elements. A Canadair Silver Star, more commonly known as a T-33, is on static display. The CH2A is also building a de Havilland Mosquito bomber based on KB-161. The first Canadian-built Mosquito bomber to enter WW2. Parts were recovered from a crash site at Pele Lake and are being incorporated into the project. The current president of the Canadian Historical Aircraft Association is John Robinson. http://www.ch2a.ca